Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to delete a photo on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom. So here we can see all the video and photo you posted. For example, we choose this photo to delete it. Then we're searching for three dogs or the option of share and tap on it. Now move from here and you can see here the option of delete. Simply tap on it. And just you have to know that restore post within 30 days from activity center on settings. Anyway, tap on delete. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.